Yo, I finally feel kind of okay. It doesn't hurt to breathe, and my throat is not in pain, in a lot of pain at least. But I am still coughing, and when I'm speaking, I still cough quite a lot. I woke up at like 9 today, which is the earliest of all of the waking ups. So I slept like 5 hours, obviously not unbroken. I went to my ex's place and finally took a shower. Glorious. She has very hot water and strong water pressure. So I also managed to acquire the steam inhalation benefits. And yeah, felt much better after that. I did some very light exercise, after which I was knocked out basically for 30 minutes, so still not healthy at all, but at least I could move around a little bit. After that, I ate my breakfast at like 3 p.m. It was tofu, coconut, cocoa. After that, I went back home, went to the supermarket, and yeah, finally, chili tofus came back to my supermarket, so I bought all 6 packs. Yay! And then I ate my second meal of the day, which was the yesterday's soup. I added 1 pack of chili tofu, and it was glorious. How could the addition of such a small thing change the taste so greatly? I don't know. I am forever grateful for it existing. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.